subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei has launched its new mid-range smartphone under Nova series in South Africa called Huawei Nova Y9a. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei Nova Y9a supports a tall 6.63-inch Full HD Plus Ultra Full View display with 92% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G80 chipset, paired with Mali G52 M2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB via nano memory card slot. In terms of camera, the Huawei Nova Y9a features a quad camera setup in a circular module at the top center that includes a 64MP main camera with a 1.8 aperture, plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 120° field of view, plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16MP motorized pop-up camera at the top left corner with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a large 4300 mAh battery with 40W fast charging support. And on the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with EMUI 10.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.5 by 76.5 by 8.95mm and it weighs around 197 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Huawei Nova Y9a has been priced in South Africa at 6,499 South African rands, and it will be available for purchase in the country in midnight black and space silver color options. So what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova Y9a smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.